it's really difficult to get into a public university, especially. And I have got like a full scholarship from the public university itself. South Korea can be an option for me, but as per my educational background, Germany had more courses which was opting for me. So basically, for Germany, we had applied for 6 universities, from which 5 universities I have got the intake.
So, how are you doing?
I'm Greta. How are you?
Okay, I'm also good. Okay, Ishwarya. So, the purpose of this interview is to, um, you know, uh, it will act as a guidance to all the students who are watching this interview so that it will be helpful for them to proceed. They will know the idea that how the journey goes. Right.
Exactly. Yeah.
So, let's quickly start by introducing yourself along with the course and intake for which you've applied.
Sure. So basically, my name is Ashwarya Prabhu, and I am going for Germany. And the course I'm opting for is in Masters in International Management, as I have the background from the same. So
Okay.
all this is going on.
Okay. So, is there any particular reason of choosing Germany only?
So see, first I was choosing for South Korea. Okay. And then after like lots of talking and especially talking to Jahan ma'am and Aditya sir, it was like made sure that South Korea can be an option for me, but as per my educational background, Germany had the more courses which was opting for me. So that's the reason, the whole point I was opting for Germany.
How many universities you have applied and from which you have got the admits?
So it's a very nice thing. So basically, for Germany, we had applied for 6 universities, from which 5 universities I have got the intake. And yeah, it was really very surprising. Like, it was a very last moment where we did all the university works and everything. But yeah, it was a great help from Harshdeep ma'am, Jahan ma'am, and especially Aditya sir. Like, no matter what the time was, they were answering the calls and text messages and everything. So yeah, basically we applied for 6 universities, from which 5 I have gotten.
That's great. Congratulations for that.
Thank you. Thank
Oh,
you.
so, as per our experience, it is not so easy to get admission from Germany and especially in public universities, right?
Yeah.
So, is there any difficulties you have faced that are overcome by the help of Admivo throughout your admission process and application process?
Well, I would say, yeah, as you said, it's really difficult to get into a public university, especially. And
Yes.
I have got like a full scholarship from the public university itself. And then again, it was all thanks to like the letter of recommendation, statement of purpose that was helped to structure by Admivo itself. So, yeah, I would say that that was the biggest task that we students face, and it was overcome by help of Admivo.
That's nice hearing from you, and I think that students' collaboration at the same time is required as well. So it's great that you have collaborated together, and together we have brought the admit, right?
Exactly, true.
Yes. So if we talk about your profile, so is there anything, any efforts you have put to strengthen your profile to make it stronger for getting an admit?
So basically, as I'm already from a business background, like my graduation, I had completed in Bachelor's of Business Administration in International Business. Then I have a work experience of 3 years. And after that, I have done some courses which has enhanced my profile. And then again, the letter of recommendation, statement of purpose written by you guys. So yeah, basically all these things have helped me get into a public university, especially.
Okay. So, concluding it can be said that to make a profile stronger, the support of each and every experience is required, and to put it nicely into a compelling SOP is the main thing.
Yeah, true. True, exactly.
And as per your work experiences, the extracurricular activities and the community involvement matters a lot, right?
Exactly, exactly. That's right.
So I'll not take much of your time. So, is there anything that you want to say or guide to other aspiring students so that it will be helpful for them to understand from where to proceed and how to proceed?
So basically, I would say that we should do our research first of all. Like we should make sure like where we want to go, what we want to do. For me, it was a very lengthy process because I wasn't sure exactly like what to do. But yeah, thanks to Aditya sir, I got a clear image of that. But yeah, then again, if students are going for abroad studies, I would say that do their research, make sure what courses you're opting for, and try to speak with someone who already has knowledge of all these things. Like many times we just try to do it by ourselves and it just creates a big mess. So yeah, talking to someone professionals, it can really help them to understand where the path can go.
Right. Also, for working professionals, it become a different task to pay attention to your
So,
application. All right.
yeah.
So, you're finalizing which university now?
So I'm going with Hostel Wismar University, University of Wismar. Yeah.
Okay. Now, how is your family's reaction? They must be happy too, right?
Yeah, they were like, it was a big surprise. Like, we were expecting two or three universities to get in, looking at my profile and everything. But when we realized that we have finally got the five universities and all the processes going smoothly and everything. So, yeah, it's a big surprise. And it's great.
That's so nice. That's so nice. Okay, so we can conclude it now. I
Sure.
think it will be a great help for the students watching it.
Of course. You guys were great help for myself itself.